In this video, I'll walk you through a powerful Make.com blueprint that automates LinkedIn connection requests with personalized AI-generated messages. This automation workflow consists of 7 intelligent modules working together seamlessly. First, the scenario begins with a 1-second sleep module to ensure smooth execution. Next, it connects to your Google Sheet containing your LinkedIn prospects. The workflow filters for rows with a pending status, retrieving one prospect at a time to process systematically. Once a pending prospect is identified, the workflow updates the Google Sheet status to in progress, ensuring no duplicate processing occurs. The 4th module makes an API call to conversational.ai to retrieve the complete LinkedIn profile data. This includes the prospect's name, headline, and location, essential information for personalization. Here's where the magic happens. Module 5 uses Google's Gemini AI to generate a highly personalized connection message. The AI analyzes the prospect's profile data and crafts an authentic, conversational message between 200 and 250 characters. No generic templates. Each message is uniquely tailored to the individual. The 6th module sends the connection request through connectsafely.ai's API, including the AI-generated personalized message. With a 120-second timeout, this ensures the request processes completely. Finally, once the connection request is successfully sent, the workflow updates the Google Sheet status to done, maintaining accurate tracking of your outreach campaign. This blueprint combines Google Sheets, connectsafely.ai, and Gemini AI to automate your LinkedIn outreach while maintaining authentic, personalized messaging. Transform hours of manual work into a smart, automated system that scales your networking effortlessly.